Roger Harper has been sacked as lead selector of Cricket West Indies. CWI announced on Saturday that Harper's contract will not be renewed when it expires on December 31. Few expected Roger Harper to survive after the debacle in the United Arab Emirates in October when the Caribbean side failed to defend their T20 World Cup title. In fact, they whimpered out of the tournament with only one win after turning up at the competition with an aged team which had garnered much criticisms even before the team left the Caribbean. That was followed by a 3-0 sweep in their recent T20 International Series by Pakistan in Karachi. Cricket West Indies CEO Johnny Grave, as well as Director of Cricket Jimmy Adams, had telegraphed in subsequent interviews that it would not be business as usual.
We want to put it right. We obviously know there will be changes, notwithstanding the fact that a number of the senior players have already announced that was their last T20 World Cup when they wanted to go and try and do what no one had done beforehand, which was win a third title. It didn't happen. And, certainly for next year, we hope that some of the younger players will be putting their hands up and making big claims through their performances with bat and ball to make it into the side, and we'll have that that balance between experience and youth.
On Saturday came the first rolling of heads. Harper's proposed 2-year extension was pulled off the table, with cricket's regional governing body announcing that it is now searching for a new senior men's selection panel for next year. The decision came out of a CWI board meeting which involved its president, Ricky Scarrett. And Harper, who has been in the role since 2019, will be joined out the door by fellow selector Miles Bascom. CWI says an interim selection panel has been established with head coach Phil Simmons at the helm, along with the captains in the respective men's formats. CWI's Director of Cricket, Jamaica's Jimmy Adams, will oversee the process. The West Indies men's next series is against Ireland at Sabina Park in January, where they will play a 3-match ODI series and a one-off T20 international, which is expected to be a farewell game for Jamaican Chris Gayle.